In the heart of America, where the sun rises on generations of hard work, there stands a company that has weathered the test of time. For over 75 years, Ledwell has been a beacon of strength, resilience, and innovation. Our story is one of unwavering values, quality, grit, legacy, and family. Our mission is clear. We manufacture tough, innovative equipment that moves you forward. Ledwell isn't just a company. We're a family legacy that spans 4 generations, going all the way back to 1946. We believe in giving back and strengthening the bonds that tie us together. Because at Ledwell, we're not just building machinery. We're building the future, one bead, bolt, and truck at a time. Our products aren't just well-made, they're Ledwell made.